Leopard print after 40? Absolutely. Let me show you how to make it elegant, not costumey. This look works because of balance. The leopard top, a symmetric neckline, keeps it sophisticated. The black skirt, this is the secret, the neutral anchor that makes this bold print elegant instead of overwhelming. Okay guys, the leopard boots, yes, I'm repeating the pattern intentionally. Oh, I am. It creates a cohesive story from top to bottom. And damn, that shoes though, I love it. It's a statement in itself. The white socks, unexpected detail, okay, that adds an edge to your attire. Accessories, guys, keep it minimal. When you're wearing bold prints, let the outfit be the statement, especially that shoe. So guys, here's how to make bold prints look expensive after 40. Okay, the secret is to balance it with neutrals. Bold prints plus neutral equal elegance. My black skirt grounds the entire look. 2, perfect fit is everything. Ill-fitted leopard will look costumey. That you must know. So you must think about it. And then 3, own it with confidence. This outfit doesn't work without confidence. At 40, we know who we are and we are not apologizing for it. When you walk in wearing this, you command the room. Okay, so yes, I'm wearing leopard print after 40 because fashion isn't about age. It's about confidence and intentions. Will you wear this, guys? Tell me in the comments. Wednesday, skincare. Next Saturday, more fashion. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button and don't forget to share. Love you guys. Bye bye.